Sorry Samsung fans, iPhone 17 Pro gets the best of Samsung. What's up guys, we're back with the latest iPhone 17 Pro leaks that's going to reveal the shock that's about to hit Samsung fans and make the iPhone fans pretty happy. We also have massive iOS 19 news which is in line with Apple's official WWDC announcement and a shocking early first look at just how thin the iPhone 17 Air will be in real life. Let's start off with Samsung's madness regarding the iPhone 17 Pro lineup. As we know, Apple is giving all the iPhone 17 models 120Hz Pro Motion refresh rate, and now we come to know that we're also getting the latest, most advanced version of the M14 Samsung OLED panel for all the iPhone 17 models. This is something that Samsung did not even implement on their own Galaxy S25 Ultra or any of the S25 series model, pretty much giving their best OLED panel to the iPhone 17 lineup. With M14 OLED, these iPhone 17 displays are not only going to be brighter but also going to be more power efficient than the M13 found on the S25 Ultra. With the power efficient M14 OLED panel and the brand new Apple A19 Pro chip, iPhone 17 Pro Max is almost certain to pack the best battery life on a 2025 flagship phone. The only good thing for Samsung here is that they get to make a lot of money, but yeah, Apple is getting an edge this year. Now, as we know, with iOS 19, Apple will bring a brand new camera UI which is gonna get unveiled officially at WWDC 2025. You may have noticed that this UI makes it a lot easier to toggle between different video resolution and frames per second options. There may be a major reason behind this because now, in addition to recording 4K, 1080p and 720p, for the first time you might be able to finally shoot videos up to 8K on the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, this was also rumored to happen last year, but because of iPhone 16 Pro's hardware limitation, this wasn't in the final model. Now with the A17 Pro and its powerful A19 Pro chip, we may finally see 8K support for the iPhone 17 Pro models. Also, in case you don't know, Apple has officially announced the WWDC event where they're going to reveal the iOS 19. It's the software that's going to bring Apple's biggest change since iOS 7. According to the latest exclusive early first look coming from FPT, iOS 19 is shaping up to be a pretty big update that's going to change the way the iOS looks compared to previous generation. We may or may not get these circular icons, but we are getting a pretty big visual overhaul with Vision OS style glass elements throughout the UI. Also, we have an early glimpse of how thin the iPhone 17 Air could look in real life. It's absolutely ridiculous to rock 5.3mm body next to a Pro iPhone. It genuinely looks mind-blowing. This is how thin Apple is making the iPhone 17 Air at the cost of just having one single camera. Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments below. So there we go. That's all of this news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.